Did you know that you can design and engineer biology to perform specific functions? Welcome to the world of synthetic biology. Synthetic biology combines molecular biology, genetics, engineering and computer science to create artificial biological systems. In healthcare, scientists have engineered bacteria to produce insulin, making it accessible for diabetes treatment. In agriculture, scientists have modified crops to produce vital drugs like artemisinin, fighting diseases like malaria. In the fight against cancer, scientists are engineering cells to detect and destroy malignant cells, offering hope to patients. But it does not stop there. Synthetic biology is leading the way in eco-friendly solutions, where scientists have succeeded in engineering bacteria to clean up oil spills and degrade toxic chemicals that harm our environment. Unlocking a world of possibilities, synthetic biology holds immense potential. From groundbreaking therapies to sustainable materials, it is transforming industries. Innovate with us and harness the power of engineered biology. Let's revolutionize healthcare, agriculture and the environment together. The future awaits. Embrace the extraordinary potential of synthetic biology today. Want to know more? Visit our dedicated webpage on our website.